Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to share a Facebook tips. How do I enable text messages SMS for two-factor authentication on Facebook? When you turn on two-factor authentication, you are asked to choose either a security key, text SMS codes or third-party authentication app as your primary security method. If you choose to use text SMS, you will be sent a text SMS with a 6-digit security code each time someone tries logging in your Facebook account from a mobile device or browser that we don't recognize. So friends, let's take a steps to turn on text SMS codes for your mobile device. Thank you.